what's happening? This is Johnny Snow back in the building. And today, about to change the clothes up on, hold on, let me twist it around so you can see it, on the Roughneck. The Roughneck about to get some new clothes. Roughneck about to get some new clothes and about to switch this gun up completely. Like I said, I do not leave my guns alone. I always do something to them. So, let's see. Let me set this right here. Let me show you what we getting. You know what? Tell you what. Wait, we'll go ahead and take the old clothes off first. Let's go ahead and do that first. Since I already got everything here ready to come off, let's go ahead and screw this off. And looks like it's nothing more than just one screw. Pop it off. One screw. Pop them off. So, all right. I got her naked that quick. All right, she was easy. So let's go ahead and open up these new clothes. All right. We have the grip assembly instructions, and we have some new screws, and we got pins, and we got the grips here looking like some bat wings. Looking like some bat wings on them. All right. So, all right, let's see. It says screw the grips together off the gun. All right, so there we go. That's what they look like right there. And they are hardwood. They're not, you know, real, that cheap manufactured wood. This is actually made out of hardwood. All right, you get your pins and put them, I always put them in the furthest out pieces like that. And I need to put them in this side over here, because this is going to be the downside. Put your pins in on the downside. The downside being the side that's pointed down. All right, this is something that I wanted to show you too. Look at the difference in size of these grips. You know, one is itty bitty, big for a Derringer, but itty bitty. And then this one is a lot bigger. So let's go ahead, start putting this stuff together. Put it together, get the pins. I slid on good. Get this new screw, pop it in. Let's see. Let's go in on that side. All right, that's fine with me. That side you want to go down there. You screw it down. All right, here we go. That's what she looks like now. That's what she looks like now. I'll hold it up. And, oh yeah, definitely makes the grip better. I mean, as far as being concealable, not sure if how it's gonna help or hinder being concealed, but hey, it looks good. I mean, hey, that's what we're working with now. That's what we're working with now. And I like it. I like it. So these are some wood grips that I bought off of eBay. And let's see, from Doug Metzger, Premium Manufacturing Group. Doug Metzger. Y'all check him out. He makes good stuff. I like it. I like it. I like it. So next, we're going to have the video of me shooting this thing, because I haven't even shot it yet. So we're going to get that going. And, you know, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe.
Mm-hmm.